How to transfer from Moneygram to GCash. Requirements as a sender. There are several ways you can send money. First is you can send money online through the Moneygram website. You can also send money in person by going to Moneygram payment centers. And you can also send money using a mobile phone app. Requirements as a recipient. As a recipient, you must have a fully verified GCash account in order to claim your money from Moneygram. Let's start with drawing your money from Moneygram to GCash account. Open your GCash app, click Cash In. Under Remittance, select Moneygram. Type the exact amount of remittance to be received. Type your reference number. Type your country of birth. Knowing these details is essential in claiming your remittance. Click the Next button. Make sure to cash in immediately to claim your remittance, as your remittances reference number might expire within 90 days. On the confirmation page, review the details and click the Next button. And that's how you send money from Moneygram to GCash.